Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage social media marketing with Hootsuite, beginner guide step by step clearly. To manage social media marketing effectively with Hootsuite, start by creating a Hootsuite account. Visit the Hootsuite website and select the option to sign up for free. Fill in your information to create your account, or sign in using your existing social media credentials. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Hootsuite dashboard. Notice the different sections, including the Streams, Publisher, and Analytics tabs. Next, link your social media accounts. Click on your profile icon at the bottom left and select Manage Social Networks. Choose the social media platforms you wish to connect, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Follow the prompts to authenticate each account securely. After linking your accounts, create your first social media post. Navigate to the Publisher tab in the dashboard. Select Create Post and choose the connected social media account you want to post from. Craft your message, adding images or videos if desired. Schedule your post by selecting a date and time for it to be published. Next, set up streams to monitor your social media interactions. In the Streams section, add new streams for mentions, messages, or keywords relevant to your brand. This will help you keep track of engagement and respond promptly. Utilize Hootsuite's scheduling feature to plan your content in advance. Go to the Publisher tab and select Content Calendar. Here, you can visualize your planned posts and adjust timing as necessary. Monitor the performance of your posts using the Analytics tool. Select the Analytics tab to view insights on your social media performance. Analyze metrics like engagement, reach, and clicks to understand what resonates with your audience. Use these insights to refine your social media strategy. Regularly review and adjust your content based on audience interaction and analytics findings. Stay updated with Hootsuite's new features and tools to enhance your social media management. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Consistency is key. Aim to maintain a regular posting schedule. Experiment with different content types, such as images, videos, and polls, to see what works best. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your social media marketing with Hootsuite. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.